In this tutorial, we'll show you how to make recipe collections. Recipe collections make great resources for a client or group who may not need a meal plan but still need nutrition guidance. There are two ways you can create a recipe collection on That Clean Life. The first way is through collections. You can use collections to share or export a group of recipes with standard serving sizes without a grocery list. You can access your collections by selecting the Collections tab along the top. To create a new collection, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the New Collection button. You can give your collection a title, add a description, and enter any tags that might apply. Please note the description and tags are only visible to you. When you are finished, click Create Collection. To add recipes to your collections, click the Add button and search for any item you would like to add to the collection. You can also add recipes to your collection from the recipe gallery using more robust filters. Click on Filter to apply your desired filters and find recipes that fit your client's need. For example, let's say I want to find Mediterranean breakfasts that take under 20 minutes and are also high in vitamin A. Once my filters are applied, I can add any of these recipes by clicking the icon with the 3 dots and selecting Add to Collection. If you'd like to add multiple recipes at once, click the Select button. Choose your recipes and click the Add to Folder button. When using sharing to share a collection, you can share an unlimited number of recipes. To share a recipe collection, click on the Share button. Choose your share settings before copying the link and sending it to your client. Be sure to add a personalized message using attachments. You can use the recipe collection introduction snippet we have created for you to speed up the process. Be sure to pin your message if you'd like this to be the first thing that your client sees when they view the shared link. If you're using Export to share recipes as a PDF, you can export up to 50 recipes in one single PDF document. To export a collection of recipes, click the icon with the 3 dots and select Export Collection. You can choose if you'd like to include notes and nutrition. You can also choose a cover page and input a personal message into your brief. Once you have customized your export, click the Start Export button and your PDF will be generated. The second way to create a recipe collection is by using the planner. This option is great for when you want to create a recipe book with specific serving sizes or with a grocery list. To export a recipe book from the planner, start by creating a new plan. Once your plan is created, you can apply your desired recipes to the plan. Keep in mind that the day and meal labels have no importance when simply creating a recipe book with the planner, since you'll be deselecting plan when you export. Once you've finished adding recipes to your plan and you are ready to export it, click the icon with the 3 dots and select Export Plan. Here, you'll want to deselect the plan and choose whether you would like to optionally include list, notes, and nutrition. Once you have customized your export, click the Start Export button and your PDF will be generated. And that's how easy it is to create a recipe collection.